Hi everyone, here I am Nimra Memon. I am the student of the advanced level at Paragon Academy Badin. Today I am going to talk about the co-education system. Co-education is a system in which boys and girls study together under a one roof. There are many advantages of the co-education system. As per my opinion, I can't see any disadvantage of the co-education system, because I personally believe that if you can grow your child from the childhood that how to respect others, then there should be no disadvantages of the co-education system. Now if we can talk about the advantages of the co-education system, as per my opinion, I can see the many advantages of the co-education system, that it increase the confidence among the both genders and decrease the hesitation. They know that how to respect one other in a system. Now if you can see in the past era, the women do not have right to get education, but now many of the parents are allowing their daughters to get an education. Means they have now right to talk about their rights. Now that in a professional life, in every business, in every professional work, we can see that males and males and females both are doing work together. For that we have to provide that system from the starting. So if they are getting education from the starting in a co-education system, so they can know how to treat and how to respect each other. So I think this is a better way to train your child from the starting, so they can't face any kind of difficulty in the professional life. Because if you can grew up, you have that much potential that you can write for your own right and do whatever you want to do in your life. Because you don't have to need of your brother in your life. If you're going to buy anything or going somewhere in your professional life, you need a male to help out you on to achieving that thing. So I think that from the starting we can provide them in a better system, that is the co-education system. And that is the system by which they can share their ideas. Females get the ideas of the males and male get idea of the females, that different thoughts are provoking, and the different thoughts we are getting. So it's the best way. So we have to promote co-education system in our Pakistan especially, so that we can talk about the rights of the women's right of the both genders and many other different topics, and we know and we can grow our country in a better way. Thank you very much.